Welcome back to Global Forex Guide, your ultimate destination for everything related to the Forex market. Today, we're diving into an essential topic, the key players in the Forex market. Understanding these players can significantly enhance your trading strategy. Let's get started. The Forex market, or foreign exchange market, is the largest financial market in the world. Every day, trillions of dollars are exchanged between different currencies. But who are the main players driving this massive market? Here are the key participants you need to know. First up, central banks. Central banks like the Federal Reserve, Fed, European Central Bank, ECB, and Bank of Japan, BOJ, play a crucial role in the Forex market. They manage their respective countries' monetary policies, influence interest rates, and can intervene in the Forex market to stabilize or devalue their currency. Next, we have commercial banks. Major banks such as JP Morgan Chase, Citibank, and HSBC conduct large volumes of currency trading daily. These transactions are often for their clients, including multinational corporations, or for their own trading desks seeking profit from market movements. Another key group consists of financial institutions and hedge funds. These entities trade currencies to diversify their portfolios, hedge against risks, and seek speculative gains. Their significant capital allows them to influence market prices, especially during high-volume trades. Corporations engaged in international trade are also vital players. Companies like Apple, Toyota, and Samsung need to exchange currencies when doing business abroad. Their activities can affect currency supply and demand, influencing exchange rates. And of course, retail traders. That's where you and I come in. Retail traders participate in the Forex market through online brokers. While individual trades might be small, the collective volume from millions of retail traders adds up, making a significant impact on the market. Lastly, we have Forex brokers. Brokers like Exness, link in the description, provide platforms for retail traders to access the Forex market. They play an essential role in facilitating trades and offering tools and resources to help traders succeed. So, there you have it, the key players in the Forex market. Understanding these participants can give you valuable insights into market movements and help you develop better trading strategies. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Global Forex Guide, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. And if you're ready to start trading, check out the links in the description to join Exness and Binance. Happy trading!